Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello my students, how are you today? Okay, today we have English for the 6th grade, second term. Our lesson is Unit 5, yesterday and today, phonics, pages 40 and 41. My name is Badr Swedan, with me teacher Saleh Al-Awjan. Okay, what you will learn today, what are the objectives of our lesson today? So, you will pronounce the words ending with NK, NG, and CK correctly. This is one. Also, number the pictures according to their order. Write the words next to each picture. Okay, but before we start, let's make a revision for the last class. Okay, so listen, chant, and do. So you will listen, chant, and you can do. Okay, so what time do you do it? What time? What does it mean? What time? Okay, what time? You will say what? The time. It's 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 10 o'clock. Okay, so this is the time. So what time do you do it? Okay, you do it. So this is the title. Okay, so now we have a time here. Can you read this? Can you tell me what time it is? Yes, it is 6 o'clock. Excellent. So at 6 o'clock, I jump out of bed and brush my teeth. Okay, again, let's read it again. So, at 6 o'clock, I jump out of bed when I'm sleeping. I jump out of bed and brush my teeth. Brush my teeth. So, this is my teeth. Excellent. Okay, after that, can you tell me what time it is? Yes, it is 1 o'clock. Excellent. So this is 1 o'clock. So at 1 o'clock, I finish school and ride the bus home. Again, at 1 o'clock, I finish school. Then and I ride the bus home. So he goes home by bus, not by car. Excellent. Okay. After that, what time it is? Yes, it is 2 o'clock. Excellent. So what time is it? It is 2 o'clock. Okay, so at 2 o'clock, I eat my lunch and meet my friends. Again, at 2 o'clock, I eat my lunch and meet my friends. Okay, excellent. Okay, so now what time is it? Yes, it is 10 o'clock. Excellent. Okay, so at 10 o'clock, I jump into bed and dream a lot. So again, at 10 o'clock, I jump into bed. Okay, so this is the bed. I want to go bed, so I will jump into, so I will sleep after that. So I jump into bed and dream. Okay, I will sleep and dream a lot. Okay, not a little, a lot. Excellent. Okay, now what we will do, we will write them again for one time. So at 6 o'clock, I jump out of bed and brush my teeth. At 1 o'clock, I finish school and ride the bus home. At 2 o'clock, I eat my lunch and meet my friends. At 10 o'clock, I jump into bed and dream a lot. Okay, so can you read it fast? Okay, let's do it again, but now what? Fast. Let's start. At 6 o'clock, I jump out of bed and brush my teeth. At 1 o'clock, I finish school and ride the bus home. At 2 o'clock, I eat my lunch and meet my friends. At 10 o'clock, I jump into bed and dream a lot. Excellent. Okay, now we have the question says what? Can you mime what you do at these times? Okay, so now we have a clock here and we have the time. Can you tell me what time is it? Yes, it's what? 7:15. It's 7:15. Excellent. Okay. Now we can read it in another way. Okay, so at a quarter 7:15, I jump out of bed. Okay, so now we have a quarter. Quarter means what? Means this. So we have full and we have quarter. Quarter just what? 1 out of 4. Okay, so this is what? The quarter. So 1, 4. This is what? The quarter. So at a quarter, so we have this. This is a quarter. This is another quarter, a quarter, and a quarter. So we have 4 quarters here. Okay, so at a quarter past 7, after 7. Okay, so past means what? After. So we have quarter past 7, I jump out of bed. Okay, now we have another time here. So can you tell me what time it is here? Yes, the time is 12:30. Excellent. It's what? 12:30. So we can say it in another way. So you can say at a 12:30. So we have half. What does it mean, half? Yes, this is a half. So this is the half. You can say half and you can say 30. Okay, so we have 30 minutes. So you can say at a 12:30 after 12, I brush my teeth. Okay, so you can say 30 or you can say half. Excellent. Okay. After that, number 3, we have also time here. Can you tell me what time it is? Yes, it is what? 3 o'clock. Excellent. Okay, so at 3 o'clock, I eat my lunch. So at 3 o'clock, I eat my lunch. Okay. Number 4, we have a time here also. So can you read the time here? Yes, it's what? Yes, it's 8:45. It's 8:45. And we can read it in another way. Okay. At quarter. Quarter again. Yes, at quarter to 9. Okay, so we're on number 8, but we will reach number 9 in 15 minutes. Okay, so it's quarter to 9. It's not 9 yet. Okay, so at quarter to 9, I jump into bed. Okay, so this is the quarter. So we have only quarter to reach number 9. Okay, now we have 4 times here. We have 4 clocks. So listen and practice, match with the clocks. So we will listen, and then after that we will match them to the clocks we have here. Okay, so at 6 o'clock, I jump out of bed and brush my teeth. Okay, now can you tell me which time here is related to this sentence? Yes, at 6 o'clock. Which one? Is it A, is it B, is it C, or D? What do you think? At 6 o'clock. Yes? Excellent. Yes, it's D. So this is what? 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock. So this is D. Excellent. Okay. After that, at 1 o'clock, I finish school and ride the bus home. Okay, now, can you tell me which clock here is related to the sentence? Yes, A, B, or C? Excellent, it's A. So this is 1 o'clock, this is 1 o'clock. So the small hand on the 1 and a clock on 12. Excellent. Okay, after that, at 2 o'clock, I eat my lunch and meet my friends. Okay, can you tell me, is it B or C? Yes, 2 o'clock. Excellent. So it's what? It's B. So this is 2 o'clock. Excellent. Okay, after that, at 10 o'clock, I jump into bed and dream a lot. And this is for, yes, for C. So this is 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. Excellent. Okay, now what we will learn today, you will learn how to pronounce the words ending with NK, NG, and CK correctly. Number the pictures according to their order. Write the words next to each picture. Okay, now let's start our lesson for today. So on page 40, 40. Okay, so open your book on page 40. Excellent. Number 1, listen, point, and say. So you will listen, point with your finger, and say it with your mouth. Okay, so number 1, we have a man here. Okay, we have a man. What is he doing? Yes, he is. Yes. Can you read the word? Think. Excellent. We have think, ink. Okay, so look at the NK here. So it's what? Ink, ink, think, think. Okay, let's listen to it.
Think. Think.
Okay, so don't say think, think, ink. Okay, at the back of your mouth. So you will say not in at the back of your mouth. So you will say what? Think, think. Okay, at the back of your mouth. Excellent. So we have number one, think, think. Excellent. Okay, number two, we have this. You can put it in the finger. Okay, can you tell me what is this? Yes, excellent. So this is what? Ring, ring. Okay, let's listen to it.
Ring. Ring.
So this is what? Ring, ring, ing. Okay, don't say n. Okay, ing at the back of your mouth. So ring, like think. Okay, so you have NK. Now you have NG. Okay, so you will say ring, ring. Okay, so this is for NG. So it's what? Ring. Okay. Number three, we have this. Can you tell me what are those? We have what? Yes. Excellent. So this is what? Rock. Excellent. We have what? Rocks. So we have some rocks here. So if you have CK, you will say just K. Okay? Don't say rosk. No. It's what? Rock. Rock. Let's listen to it.
Rock. Rock.
So we have rock, not rosk. No. The C here is pronounced as K. Also with the K, both are pronounced as K. So here's what? Rock. Rock. Say it with me. Rock. Okay, excellent. Okay, now we have the three pictures here and the three words that contains the letters we talk about. We have NK, NG, and CK. Okay, now listen again and see the difference between the three words here.
Think. Ring. Rock.
Okay, again, let's listen.
Think. Ring. Rock.
Okay, so we have think, ink, ring, and we have rock. Okay, there is no N here. Rock. Excellent.
Think. Ring. Rock.
Okay, now the same page, page 40, number 2. Okay, listen, number and write NK, NG, or CK. So now you will listen and number, you will what? Write the numbers. Number and write, you will write what? NK, NG, or CK. So now we have this. Okay, let's listen and tell me after that. Okay, is it number 1? If it's number 1, that means what? It's NK. Okay, if it's NK, we will write number 1. If it's NG, this is number 2. If it's CK, this is number 3. Okay, now let's listen to this word and tell me after that, is it NG, NK, NG, or CK? Let's listen.
3 clock, clock.
Okay, 3 clock, clock. Okay, now we have what? Clock here. Clock. Can you tell me what are the missing letters here? Yes, so we have CK, excellent. And the number is what? Number 3, excellent. So 3 clock, clock. So we have clock here. So this is CK and CK has the number 3. Okay. Now we have here something, okay? It's starting with SPRI, then I don't know, is it NG, NK, or CK? Let's listen and tell me after that.
2 spring, spring.
So we have spring, spring. Can you tell me, is it number 1, NK, or number 2, NG, or CK number 3? What do you think? Spring, ing. Yes, NG, excellent. So we have number 2, NG, spring, spring, excellent. Okay, now we have some arrows here. Okay, so we have thick and we have thin and we have thick arrow. Okay, so now we will listen and tell me after that what are the missing letters.
3 thick, thick.
So we have thick, thick. Okay, what are the missing letters? Is it NK, NG, or CK? Thick. K. Yes, excellent. So 3, thick, thick, excellent. Not think, okay, nothing. Okay, so we have thick. Okay, after that, we have this in the playground you can play with. Let's listen.
2, swing, swing.
So we have swing, swing. Okay, what are the missing letters here? NG, excellent. So number 2, swing, swing. Okay, so I say swing, okay, but you should not say g. Okay, swing, swing. Okay, but I say to know the letters here. So it's what? Swing, swing. This is the correct pronunciation here. Okay, after that, we have a girl here. She is what? Yes, let's listen.
1, drink, drink.
So, drink. Yes, what are the missing letters here? Yes, that's right. So we have NK, drink, drink. Okay, so this is number 1. This is NK, number 1, and we have number 1 with NK here. So this is drink, drink. Excellent. Okay, now we have this. What is this? You use it to write? Yes, this is what? Let's listen.
1, ink, ink.
So it's ink, ink. What are the missing letters here? Yes, it's what? Excellent. So number 1, NK, ink, ink. Excellent. Okay, now we have the yes. Okay, so this is the, let's listen.
3, back, back.
So this is the back. Okay, now can you tell me what are the missing letters here? Yes, excellent. So 3, back, k. So we have CK here. So this is k, back. Excellent. After that, now we have this butterfly and it has 2, let's listen.
2, wing, wing.
So what are the missing letters here? N, excellent. So we have NG. So we have wing, wing. Okay, so we have 2 wings for butterfly and also for the birds. So this is what? Wing, wing. Okay, excellent. Okay, now let's have a advice time. Okay, advice time. So what do we have today? Early to sleep, early to rise makes you healthy and wise. Okay, let's take them one by one. So early, early. Okay, not late. Early means what? مبكرا. Excellent. So we have early. So early to sleep. Okay, early to rise. Okay, early to sleep and early to rise. Wake up at the early of the morning. So early to sleep, early to rise makes you healthy and wise. Healthy, your body is healthy, and wise, you can think correctly. Okay, so early to sleep, early to rise makes you what? Healthy and wise. Okay, so what does it mean? You have to sleep early. Okay, don't be late to sleep. So sleep early, don't be late. Excellent. Okay, now on page 41. Page 41. Okay, this is a challenge time. Number 3, can you write the words beside the pictures? Okay, so can you write, okay, the words beside the pictures? So now we have this. Is this a, what is this? Let's listen. Yes, whale. So is this a whale? Yes, it is. Excellent. So we have a whale here. Okay, after that, we have this. Okay, do you like, what is this? Yes, cheese. So do you like cheese? Yes, I do. Okay, after that, what is this? Let's see. Is he on the, what is this? Yes, excellent. Ship. Yes, he is. Okay, so we have ship. Ship. This is what? The ship. Excellent. Okay, after that, we have this. Okay, can you call me on the? Yes, phone. Okay, I will call you on the phone. Okay, after that, we have this. You know it, isn't it? Do you like, what is this? Yes, chocolate. Excellent. So we have chocolate. Yes, I do. I like chocolate. I eat chocolate, for example. Okay, after that, we have this. We have a sea animal here. So do you see what is this? Shark. Excellent. We have shark here. Yes, I do. I see it. I can see the shark. Excellent. Okay, now, on page 177, this is goal 39. Number 1, listen and spell the words. So now we have this. Okay, let's listen and tell me how to write it.
Ring. Ring.
So we have ring. How to write, how to spell ring? R-I-N-G. Excellent. So we have ring. Number 2, what is this? Rock. Excellent.
Rock.
Okay, so this is rock. Number 3, we have
Spring.
spring. Okay, can you tell me the spelling here? S-P-R-I-N-G. Excellent. So we have spring here. Okay, number 4. Okay, this is the
Back.
back. Okay, what is the spelling here? Yes, B-A-C-K. Excellent. Number 5. Okay, what is this? This is the
Wing.
wing. The spelling is what? W-I-N-G. Excellent. Number 6, last one. Okay. What is this? Yes, you can write with it. This is the
Ink.
ink. Okay, can you tell me? The spelling is what? I-N-K. Excellent. So this is what? Ink. You can write with the ink. Okay, now, number 2, read and answer the questions. Circle yes or no. This is for you, okay? You will answer yes or no. Let's start. Do you think rock climbing is dangerous? Rock climbing, okay? Rock climbing, when you go to that mountain. So, is it dangerous? You may die or spell yes or no? Yes, it's dangerous. So, this is a dangerous sport. Number 2, did you eat chocolate yesterday? Did you eat it? If you eat it, you will say yes. If you don't, you will say no. So, for me, no. Okay, number 3, did you drink a lot of water yesterday? Drink a lot of water yesterday? Yes or no? For example, yes, and that's good for your health. Okay, number 4, is an elephant white? Do you think the elephant is white? Yes or no? No. Excellent. Okay, after that, number 5, do birds have wings? Do birds have wings? What do you think? Yes, they have. Excellent. Okay. Number 6, is there a clock in your classroom? In the classroom, do you have a clock? If yes, choose yes. If no, choose no. For example, I have a clock in my classroom. Excellent. Okay. Now, number 3, crossword puzzle. Write 5 words. So, now we have what? A puzzle here. Okay, now, we have W, missing letter G. What do you think the 2 letters here? Wing. Excellent. So what are the letters here? I and N. So this is what? Wing. Excellent. Okay, what about I blank K? What do you think the missing letter here? N. So this is ink. Excellent. We have ink. Okay, SP blank blank NG. Spring. So we have R-I. Excellent. Now we have this R-O blank K. What do you think here? Rock. Excellent. So the missing letter is what? C. That's right. Okay. Now we have B blank blank K. What do you think? Yes, you can. Yes. Okay. So the last one here, we have B blank blank K. So what are the missing letters here? Back. Excellent. So we have A, C, K. Excellent. Okay. Now, on the same page 178, listen and practice match with the pictures. So now we have 4 sentences here. SH together we pronounce as sh. So sh says sh, sheep, ship, shark. CH we pronounce as ch, says ch, cheese, chocolate, cherry. PH together we pronounce as f. So says f, phone, photo, elephant. WH together we pronounce as w, white whale whistle. Okay, after that you can match them with the pictures. So you can, for example, you can take shark, for example, and match it here. Okay, what about cheese? What is cheese here? Yes, this is cheese. Okay, so you can match it with I. What about phone? What is phone? Yes, A here. Okay, so this is here. Okay, what about whale? What is whale here? The bigger animal? Yes, this is a whale. Okay, so you can what? You can match the picture with the words. Okay, so these are our objective today. So this is the end of our lesson today. I hope you enjoyed. See you next time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.